Bernard Fleetwood Walker (1893 to 1965) was a distinguished British painter, particularly celebrated for his achievement in portraiture and his contribution to 20th century British art. His work are recognized for their technical finesse, and he left a lasting impact as an educator. Fleetwood Walker's life spanned a period of significant change in British society and the art world, and his career reflects a fusion of traditional skill with subtle modern sensibilities. Fleetwood Walker was born in Birmingham, England in 1893. His early life connected with a period when Brigham was a bustling center of industrial progress and the arts and crafts movement, which sought to bring artistry back into our everyday life. This environment nurtured his early interest in the art. Fleetwood Walker began his formal education in art at the Brigham School of Art, a well respected institution known for its focus on craftsmanship and technical skill. He also studied at the Royal College of Art in London, where he developed a mastery of drawing and painting techniques that would define his later work. His style would eventually come to blend the influences of the British academic tradition with the more expressive approach that he encountered in continental Europe. With the outbreak of World War I, Fleetwood Walker enlisted in the army and served with the Royal Army Medical Corps. His experiences during the war, like those of many artists of his generation, profoundly impacted his outlook on life and, in turn, his art after the war. He resumed his artistic career with renewed vigor. The 1920s marked a period of professional growth of Fleetwood Walker and the began exhibiting his work more widely. His portraiture gained recognition for its elegant representation of subjects, characterized by a quiet dignity that avoided excessive stylization for sentimentally. His work from his period also showed his interest in light and texture and the often used subtle color palettes of create depth and mood. In 1928, Fleetwood Walker was appointed as a teacher at the Brigham School of Art, a position that allowed him to influence a new generation of artists. His teaching style employs drawing from life, a practice that he believed was essential to understanding form and movement. He also taught at the Royal Academy School in London, where he encouraged his students to develop strong technical skills while nurturing their individual style. known for his supportive and nurturing approach. Fleetwood Walker was well loved by his students, who included notable future artists like Johann Agnew. Fleetwood Walker's work frequently focused on portrait, although he also created still life and genre scenes. He painted both everyday people and society elites, lending each subject a scene of dignity. His work was particularly notable for his use of light, which he used to create a scene of intimacy and character. Bernard Fleetwood Walker passed away in 1965, leaving behind a legacy as both an artist and a teacher. His work can be found in various collections, including the Brigham Museum and Art Gallery. Thank you for watching this video. Please like